How to deposit check using Goldman Sachs account. Let's get started. You are only able to deposit a check using savings account. So go ahead and navigate to the website of Goldman Sachs and log into your saving account. Once logged in, find the section labeled Deposit Checks or Similar. Endorse the back of the check by signing it and writing for mobile deposit only if required. Now use your camera to take clear pictures of the front and back of the check. Ensure the entire check is visible and within the guidelines provided by the app. Input the check amount and any other required details. Double check the check images and entire details for accuracy. Once confirmed, submit the deposit. You will receive a confirmation once the check is successfully submitted. Keep the physical check for a few days until the deposit is fully processed. This guide covers all essential steps to deposit a check with Goldman Sachs securely and efficiently. Whether you are a beginner or experienced with online banking, our guide simplifies the process. Well, this is how you can easily deposit a check using Goldman Sachs. If this video was helpful, smash that like button, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.